well, here it is. Definitely a prototype. As you can see, I screwed myself with this last screw. It's really hard to get in, so I had to custom cut a short tool, get that in there. And what we got going on is, you can see 2 ports into the little expansion chamber. I angled them. Don't know if we'll get this. Anyway, the cuts are angled at an outward direction. Ideally, when the little combustion chamber fills up on each pump, the gases are then released, pushing more air and creating a vacuum back here, which will suck exhaust gases. That's kind of what my theory was. Anyway, seems to work. We're going to try it again on the Pro Saw with, I did cuts with the stock muffler, timed them, and we'll see if it's faster.